Alrighty, it is my last morning in Walter for this trip. So we go home for like a week and a half, then we come back. So leaving Brody this morning, we're heading out to BCC Zach's. We're going to drop off the wagon, and then I've got to come all the way back here, an hour back this way, because that's where we booked in to drop off these U-Haul trailers. And then I'll come back here, meet up with these guys again, and then we'll all drive back out to BCC Zach so I can drop off Walter. And then I'll come road trip back with them in their RV. So from where we are right now, Zach is an hour from here. And then, we're going to float around today. And then tomorrow evening, I fly back. So I don't know what we'll do today, but tomorrow, I think we're planning to go to that massive summit, which would be absolutely awesome. But this RV park out here in, where are we? In Texas. Somewhere in Texas. We're like 20 minutes away from the track where we were for LS Fest. This facility is awesome. Absolutely love it. Wow, so we're in the town now where Zach is. And this is the proper Texas that I imagined. Like, how cool is all this? It looks sick out here. All right, we've only got 5 more minutes, then we're at Zach's. Out here at BCC Customs now, you can see there's the Burnout Wars container. How good. Holy shit, it is so fast. Wow. That is insane.
And you can do that driving down the highway.
What? Wow. Hell yeah, dude, yeah. So what, this will be a full-blown combo too?
Yes, 871, 402, turbo 400 with hydraulics.
Wow. That is insane.
All red interior, belly of the car is going to be painted red, frame
Yeah.
will be satin red. It's going to be a cool car when it's done. And then this little monster.
Already a cool car. Wow, this actually has an insanely wide track.
Yeah, so it's got... Oh, shit, my glass so hard. Hang on.
What's it out of?
Hayabusa. Well, the sub-member's custom.
Oh, yeah.
But it's got a supercharged Hayabusa motor. Really fucking here.
And these trucks are just out of this world. They're huge. Holy crap. Is this the one that you were cruising with Zach yesterday?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it should make 500.
Which is completely crazy for a smart car.
For how small this is.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You don't really notice until you're right next to it. You think with that wheel track, surely this thing will want to do backflips.
Oh, it's definitely going to wheelie.
Yeah. That is insane.
Big injectors, supercharger. We're going to put on E85.
Wow.
And then it's got a full wide body kit that covers the tires.
That's so cool. So did you buy it like kind of half?
So the smart car was mine, and then it broke the camshaft in it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, man, I got to replace the motor. So then I found this thing on Marketplace. And here we
You
are.
found this on Marketplace?
Yeah, so a guy started the build for this older gentleman, and the old guy passed away.
Yeah.
So the wife was like, just sell the parts.
Yeah, okay, yep.
So he showed me $38,000 in receipts.
Wow. Is all of the gold on that, is that like actual gold leaf?
Gold turn leaf, yeah. 20
Wow.
turn leaf. And then I've got all gold door handles.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. That's
windshield
talking my
wipers,
language.
mirrors.
That, yeah. Proper gold plating.
I'm actually going to sell these wheels and do gold wheels.
Yes.
With chrome spokes.
Oh, hell yeah.
And then like the main strip down the car's chrome, and then all the accents are gold. Bumpers are chrome with gold push bar.
Hell yeah.
Grills chrome with gold headlight bezels.
That's sick. When are you expecting to have this done?
I would say next 3 months.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, all we gotta do is pull. I already got all the interiors ordered. All the hydraulics are ordered. The new rear end's ordered. So it's gotta pull the body, paint the frame or paint the belly, wrap the frame, powder coat the frame, and then put all the hydraulics on it.
That is so cool.
The 402 sitting over there on the stand.
Oh, yeah.
So it should be ready. I'm gonna try to get the big and ugly about.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
I'm probably gonna run the 4-inch spacer that's on my truck on this one.
Yep.
And not run a spacer of mine.
Well, you're gonna have this on methanol?
It's D85. It's
oh
a
yeah.
cruiser.
Is that a spacer or is it a intercooler?
We were gonna do an intercooler.
Yeah.
I was gonna street drive that truck and
Yeah.
race it, but things changed.
Yeah, they always do. Because great way to do it is getting like taller manifolds.
Yeah.
So then the blower to hat ratio. Because I've found that like looking at Australian cars, especially with like polished big and ugly hats and stuff, it's just such an awesome look when the whole blower sticks out of the bonnet and then you've got like the hat on top of it.
Yep.
It always looks so good. It's a perfect combo.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go like polished or gold with the hat?
I'm thinking about having the hat and the blower gold plated.
I think you should. I really think you should. I think that'll look absolutely fucking out of this
And
world.
then polish the butterflies.
Oh yeah. That will look.
But I'm gonna cut the hood as bad as I don't want to.
Yeah, you have to, which
It
sucks.
just gives it the nice, clean,
Yeah.
look.
Yeah.
We're gonna shave the firewall, paint the inner fenders, paint the firewall. It's all Holly EFI.
Amazing. Yeah, Holly seemed to like really not like enjoy working with you guys. Yeah, they seem to be really good at that.
Stuff,
Yeah. So when do you expect to have this running? Just
Um,
pretty much once it's plumbed and wired. And,
I
yeah.
gotta cut the floor out, build a tray for the 3-pedal setup to sit in, and then I got a new carpet kit forward.
so this is gonna be manual.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it'll be, you press it forward will be first, and then you got 5 gears backwards.
Also like sequential, but like yeah, that's sick. What gearbox is
It's
it?
a factory Hayabusa.
Oh yeah. Oh, obviously, yeah. That is so
Powder coat all
cool.
back, the same yellow as a car.
And what are the actual like? What do you want to do with this car?
Wheelies.
Yeah, that's so good.
Paddles on it, take it to the dunes.
Yeah.
I really want to go mess with like Camaros, Corvettes, Lamborghinis.
Yeah. That's mad. That's gonna be some proper viral shit. Oh, you got so much cool shit in here. What are those massive paddles off?
Those are the ones that I ran on my truck at the dunes.
And what were the ones that cut? What like?
Tiles were like this tall,
Oh wow.
so it was a huge advantage over
Yeah.
what I had.
I probably would have had to have done similar.
I had
Just
the
to have in the
room,
tubs?
but it was like $600 or $2,000.
Oh
For
wow.
one time. So
Wow.
my cheap ass bought the $600 pedals.
And what did Carl buy his or did like Weston had him? Yeah. Fuck yeah, this is awesome. And then like so the black truck's yours?
The camo with laces.
That's so good. Couple goals. Did you have these at SEMA?
Yeah. I actually towed my blower truck with that one to an event.
That is so gangster. Yeah, that is like my favorite shade of gold.
Oh, you can't beat that.
Nah.
Black
Is
look.
that powder coated?
Yeah.
Oh, that is phenomenal. Now I'm just trying to think of things that I can get you to powder coat of mine to get that gold.
To get that gold is you powder coat it and then you set them out in the sun for a month and let them fade,
For a month.
and they look exactly like that.
Wow.
Yeah. They're more bright yellow
Yeah, so it's a yellow gold instead of like a
instead of like a 24 karat.
Yeah, that is my favorite gold.
Yep. So I just let the truck sit outside for a month, let them fade, and now they're perfect.
That is so freaking cool. And what? So is that at lift, like, or is that at like the lower height? Do these have any level? Any level?
Those are elevate lift kits.
Oh, okay. So that's the
This
full
is
lift kit.
25 inches, and this one's 18 inches.
Yeah. That is insane.
Full frames powder coated. Pull the whole body off of it. Motor, trans, harnesses on both of them.
Oh, and yours are Julie.
Yeah.
That is so badass.
It's 116 inches wide.
How do you take that anywhere?
You just drive line to line.
Oh,
It's illegal as shit, but it's fine.
that was like at the track going through the tunnels to actually get on the infield.
It's sketchy.
That was scary. That was scary. That's just like once you know you got clearance, you just keep your like just look straight. Yeah. Oh, thanks for showing me around, man. This is sick. Yeah. So it's so cool to see. Zach was saying before, he's like top 5 powder coaters in the country, and then the end level kits, like the lift kit, or the automated lift kits, I guess you'd say, that were on those utes trucks. He's the top installer in the country for those. It is insane. Those things are so freaking cool. And driving down the highway too, I should have filmed it. Like we're literally going like 100 k's an hour and going up and down. When you're up and you drop the front first, it is scary. It is sketch as. But they ride so smooth. It is extremely impressive, which is so freaking sick. All right, now I'm gonna drop the wagon off, go back, drop the trailer off, meet up with the guys, come back out. And I think we're gonna put the wagon in the enclosed trailer, so then it's just ready to go for when we come back. All right, let's do it. All Alrighty, so clickbait is dropped off with Zach, the big girl. God, it looks so good. The Texan sun makes that paint look fucking better than I could have ever dreamed. Alrighty, now we will go drop the U-Haul trailer off. The enclosed trailer is getting dropped off here any minute now too. And then, yeah, we'll go catch up with Brody and Kate. And so we're back at Zach's now, out of BCC. And we've got our new trailer. And holy shit, is it amazing. And it's gonna suit Walter so well. Look at that dog. Zach really hooked us up with this. This is absolutely phenomenal. I'm so grateful for this. One of the coolest things about these trailers too, I thought it may have just been Brody's because it was a new trailer. But this, with this, like, these cords are just on like tensioners up here. You can literally lift the doors with like one hand. You just push it up. Like Tim's trailer back home, that's a 3-man job. If the winch dies, that's a 3-man job to lift and open the door. You could probably get squashed under that thing. So I am stoked with this, absolutely stoked. I am so happy, and extremely grateful, because without this, I really don't know what we would have done. So, absolute legend. Oh, how good. Fits with plenty of room. Enough room to store some shit there. I may go backwards. This is just where I stopped. Oh, is that one of those? Oh, so you can hang stuff up there. That's perfect. So good. Now, literally, wherever we leave it, we can literally just leave it in the trailer. Oh yeah, I can come back a bit. Look at that. For those that are playing at home, you can see, I wonder if you can see under the car. Yeah, look at that header sticking out real low, the lowest point there on that point. That's from the that fix we had to do it after Red Center Nats when the collector just fell off. So we had to do that. Pretty much just weld on an end. So I get under it, grind it, leave it. Either way, I'll try and fix it. Yeah, you're saying someone tried to jack the trailer up from here. Yeah. So strangely about this trailer, like, this is definitely, as you can see, not a brand new trailer. There's not a single tie down point in this. So that's something that we're gonna have to do, which I'll see if Zach will be able to, if I can pay one of his guys to do it in the week that we're not here. So we're gonna pick this up and go straight to something exciting. So we're not gonna have time to really work on it. So that should be pretty good then. Fold this. Look at that, one hand. That is the coolest thing ever. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna put a padlock on it. Boys, we have an enclosed trailer. How freaking insane. All right, now it's time to close her up and say goodbye for now. There's Mr. Brody ready to pick us up. And Zach was telling us, he was like, oh, this is just like the new Australian headquarters. This is one of the Aussies RVs too. I think that's Lynchy's. And this thing's so nice too. I mean, we won't go in it yet. We don't want to show the inside of it and everything. We'll let him do that first. That's his baby. So we'll let him go through it and show it first before we go and freaking blow it up and put it all over the internet. That's going to be their home. But it is extremely nice, I'll say that much. But yeah, out here is super nice. Just so good to be able to, I don't know, hang out, chill. Zach's gone back inside. He's just powder coating more stuff, even though it's like 8 o'clock at night. Man's hustling. But just how good is it? An RV, an enclosed, a Burnio car, a couple of Burnio cars. Kimmy loves it, don't you, Kimmy? Alrighty, so it's the next day. We decided to just fluff around and hang out at the RV park. We got a rental car today, so it was a little bit easier to get around. And the first thing, which was pretty awesome because 5 minutes down the street, the fucking Big Boy Summit. How good is that? Oh man, I've wanted to come here for years, seeing all the videos on social media and everything. And now you guys are watching video on social media about us coming to it. How fucking wild is this? It is actually so friggin' big. And then Zach was telling us about down there, that sign says outlet. And it's pretty much all the parts that get returned that are still like, they can't go back on the shelf in here. You get them for a mad discount down there. So we'll definitely go down there and have a look as well. But like, Oh man, I've literally only seen videos of this online. So good. 632 big block just sitting right as you walk in. This is epic. Look at this, just 400s and... Jeez, that belly housing's seen better days. What a gross casting. How much are these? 2,200 bucks. Oh, advertised for 500 horsepower. Are these big boy ones? It's cool they have them like in stock. Beep beep. Oh, that's a sick plush toy.
You got beep beep.
God, they literally have everything in here. So we've jumped over to, fuck, I forgot what they call this side. But it's pretty much like the damaged goods, I guess you'd say. But you can just get everything like, look, retail 404, demo 220, 271 150, 465 200. It's just like everything in here is half price. Now these look like LS, that one might be. Just a bunch of push rods. You need push rods? Or alternators? What do you need? Pistons? Rods? Oh, they're Manly rods too. 684 down to 360. Just a carbon tail shaft. 2,300 down to 1,300. I think I found heaven. This is insane. Oh, you bought one thing from Summit? That's pretty cool. Come all that way and get... Oh yeah. We kind of got a little carried away.
Yeah. Very much so.
Yeah, but you're going to go to Summit once, especially this one.
Trust Aussie to sniff out the only GDO part in the whole of the Summit.
And does it still have the tag on it?
Yeah, a genuine alternator.
Look at that. $443 retail for 60 bucks. What a steal.
I don't even need it, but for that sort of money, you know what? We're all running them.
Yeah, you can't turn it down. Yeah, yeah.
And
How good. Look how big this place is. Like, all this entire block. It's fucking epic. Ah, goodbye, Summit.